Yo, what's up? We are now sitting in a Jac E30X. This is the Nordic Edition 50 with a 51.5 kilowatt hour LFP battery. And in this test, we're gonna test the headlights. So yeah, how good are they? This goes under the reasonably priced car category. It costs 265k NOK. Let me see. Boom! Wait, okay, it's that typical centered Chinese car. Oh, well, actually, it has actually okay strength and okay wideness and height. Yeah, but not as wide as the other better cars, and also not as good strength and height as the other, but still not the worst I've seen. Not classic Ioniq. Oh, well, okay, better than expected for a budget car. Yeah. I can't say the whatever man's car, because so many people will be offended by it. I don't know why, because I could say it before, no problem, but suddenly I'm not allowed to say it. Okay. Now when I drive a little bit more, I see that it still has a little concentrated spot towards the center. Yeah, see here. Now we go on the curve. I'm a little bit in the blind in the sharper curves. But it still has okay towards up and like I mentioned before. Well, okay, let me see. Let me get over to the farm. Let me see more, but before that, some more curves. Yeah, like now, you see, slightly in the blind in the curve in case there be an obstacle there. And needless to say, there is no matrix light here, just on and off. That's still fine. Wait, why am I getting fogging in here? What? Why does the windows fog? What? Oh, okay. Let me increase the temperature a bit. 26 degrees Celsius, nice and toasty. No, but actually, many Chinese cars, you have to really crank up the temperature to get some heat in here. It feels too cold, actually. And now we get some fogging. Well, let me just run the defogger. What? Dude, the heck, man? It's like I feel like we're in Thailand now. Come on. Okay, defog the window so we can see anything. Hey, where's the farm? It's not supposed to be here. Maybe I passed it already and I didn't know, because the lights are not that great. Or no, I think it's not there. Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet? What? Here. What do you see? Okay, here. Alright, there. Yeah. And then boom, you see the farm. Yeah, but you see that it has a concentrated spot. Yeah, it's quite clear here. Alright, we didn't see any animals yet. Let me turn off the defogger. So, I mean, yeah, if I drive a lot in these roads and I have this car, I'll probably get a LED bar. Remember, you can get over to Kløfta, to Bilkomponenten, and then get a LED bar and they can install it for you. Yeah, ferdig snakka. Then it's all good. And of course in Norway it is allowed to use LED bar, because we have these roads. But maybe they don't have these kind of roads in China. Maybe the Chinese roads like these, they are always lit, so then there's no problem over there, or in other countries. Oh, that was an owl. Yeah. Well, was that good reaction time? I think within around half a second I reacted and I started braking hard. If I kept going though, at the same speed, I could have hit the owl, or I would just zip past it. Yeah. Wait, how is the braking distance there? Have giddy tires? Maybe I should test braking distance also. least the wheels didn't lock. Maybe it didn't have enough grip to lock. That's a possibility. Okay. Stop hating, Bjorn. Yeah, stop hating. Why do you hate Chinese cars? Well, I love NIO. How about that? And there's a bunch of other brands I also love. I love BYD. And of course, XPeng kicks ass for the Lord or the Emperor of China. So, but back to this. Okay, there's the deer. I don't know if you guys saw it. There's the eyes. But yeah, how would I rate these headlights? I feel like nowadays headlights are getting better and better, even in Chinese cars. So this would even be worse than the average Chinese cars nowadays. So maybe 4 out of 10. I'm being too kind. Should I say 3 out of 10? Well, roughly in that ballpark. It just lacks some strength and some highness, or wideness and so on. But I guess it still works okay. Yeah, it doesn't get 0.1 point. You know what I'm saying. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.